Hello guys, this is Tom from Embeddedtronics. So today in this video tutorial, we will learn how we can basically come across segmentation fault error. So basically in this case, we will see how we can generate segmentation fault error and how we can basically debug that segmentation fault error, and we will come to know like how we can find at which line number we are getting that segmentation fault error. So okay, so let's get started. So okay, so now if I'll just uh, go to my computer screen here, here you can see now if I'll just create one project first. Let's creating one project here, desktop, and let's say take a new folder and segmentation fault. Let's say I'm giving the name. Okay, then select folder, and then we will just give a one file name, main.c. Okay, and here we will just write one small snippet. um, diu.h, fine, and then int main, and here we will just say int asterisk ptr equals to null. So before I'll just write one small snippet, I'll just let you know, like, there are some scenarios where we will get segmentation fault error, like when we will try to dereference any null or invalid pointer, then we will get segmentation fault error. And also we can get segmentation fault error when our stack is overflow, and also when we are writing to a memory allocation where which is read only, then also we can get that. And read memory basically violation also cause that segmentation fault error. Basically it always depends on your memory. Segmentation itself defines as the word itself defines, like whenever your memory, if you will see the memory mapping of your C, uh, we have code segment, BSS segment, heap segment, stack segment. So whenever your program basically try to access ahead of its basically segment, try to just try to get access to another segment, then you will get basically segmentation fault error. So okay, so now we will just write a small snippet in as int asterisk ptr equals to null. Now here we will just say asterisk ptr equals to let's say 30, any value I'm giving. Now I'm just printing I'm printing this percentage d, and then \n, and here I'm just printing asterisk ptr, fine, and then return 0. Okay, so here our program is completed. Now what I'll do, I'll just run this code. So what I will do, I'll just click on these three dots, terminal, go to new terminal, and here we'll just gcc, and to get this output first, we'll just run this gcc main.c, and here a.exe is generated, as you can see. If I'll run this a.exe, I'll get basically here nothing, uh, because basically you are just trying to access a wrong memory allocation. So to get the result, basically the debug information, what you can say, if you have some large file and you want to see what type of error you are getting, basically here you won't get like that. So to know that, you have to do install gdb, so gcc first I'll do G and then main dot C, and then we will GDB, and we will do a dot exe. Yeah, so here you can say C to continue with that tagging, C, and then run for R for run. Here you can see now thread 1 receives signals seg b segmentation fault, and this is the address in main at main.c. Like this is the line number 7 you are getting. So this is line number 7 here, and PTR equals to 30. So here it is through GDB only we can get the information. So this way we can get basically segmentation fault error. Now, if to quit from this GDB section, what we need to do, we need to just type Q and we'll say Y. Yes. Okay. So we have come out of this thing. Now this is the case where we can see using through GDB debugger we can get this segmentation fault debug information. Now using one more one we will do one more snippet code example. We will just verify and see how we can get segmentation fault debug information on that. So as I told you, like if you'll try to dereference this pointer, here we are trying to dereference through this, from here, so then we will get segmentation fault error. And another case is like stack overflow, as I had told you. And stack overflow we can generate through any recursion function. I think many of you have done coding like factorial or some other Fibonacci series code kind of thing using recursion. So there we always have a base address, base value, when we finish the stack, basically to using that base value. But here if we won't give any base value and our recursion function will be infinite, so on that case we will get segmentation fault error. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this portion of code here, just a basic example I have written. So here I am just taking this example in this main function, and this function is here defined here, and this function is calling itself, and there is no and. So here you can say recursive call without a base case. So in this case, if I'll just save this thing and CLEAR, and let's say now we will just run this, compile this, sorry, and then gdb y.exe, and here you can see C continue and then R run. So here you can see we are getting segmentation fault error at line number 4, as you can see. So this way we can come to know like there is a segmentation fault error in this case also. So there are multiple occasions you can get this segmentation fault error. If you have a lot of files, like let's say 10-20 files you are using in one big source code, and there you just need to know where is your segmentation fault error. So you just use GDB, and using GDB you can get the file name and that file the line number also, where we are getting basically this segmentation fault error. So this way you can come to know. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.